over 200 sopranos and altos coming together to work with Professor Kat Bennett from Oakland University on singing technique. They're going to learn a couple songs and put them together by the end of the program.
I think it's a great opportunity for all the schools to come together, and it's really exciting to be able to learn from not just Miss Ward, but from many other choir teachers and stuff throughout the district, and getting to see all of their different teaching methods.
What's really great is the middle school kids get to come together with the high school kids and put together a sound that they're not normally used to. When we are at our own buildings, split up, there's a lot smaller group, but when we get together, it really is something special.
It's fun to see like the beginning to the end, whereas like how like we learned it in just like a short period of time.
Getting to learn the music within 2 hours is always a little bit nerve-wracking and stuff, but the teaching methods and stuff that we use and stuff I think is extremely beneficial, and it's really awesome getting to hear it. Our choral workshop day is really awesome because it's something that people are so passionate about, and getting to work on that passion with everybody else is just a wonderful opportunity.